Hello everyone, welcome to Superheroes Kitchen. So today I'm making sukiyaki. You love sukiyaki, right? Sukiyaki is very popular. And it's prepare ingredients for the slice of the beef. And then Japanese leeks, we call the naganeki, kyonegi. Peel the one skin out. Yes, and then king mushroom, enoki mushroom, shimeji mushroom, and the tofu. Tofu is a farm tofu. Later on the torch for the burner, use burner, and I make a yaki tofu. And then hakusai is a suchoi. Yes, and then sauce is easier. Soy sauce is a water and a sugar, cooking sake mirin, and then sake. Yeah, it's for 100 cc, 100 cc, 100 cc water, and then these are 50 cc sake. Sugar is if you like a sweetness, and a little more add later, or maybe less sweet, and then a little more reduce down to the sugar. はい、すき焼きですね。日本の方は分かると思いますが、一般的な家庭料理でしょうかね。このシーズンの冬のシーズンですね。牛肉のスライスと京ネギ、こちらでは白滝はちょっと用意できなかったので、白滝は今日は入れません。でこれがオイスターマッシュルーム、日本で言ったらエリンギマッシュルームですね。でエノキマッシュルームでしめじマッシュルーム、ブラシメジでしょうかね。で木綿豆腐と濃い口醤油 100cc、 みりん 100cc、 水 100cc、 酒 50cc、 砂糖は今回は 40g 用意してますね。あと白菜ですね。こちらを糖でトーチしますので、ゴーンと回して焼き豆腐作ります。 Okay, so I will do cutting the water and torching. The little surface to the little bag. Just take time. If you don't have a burner, it's okay. Just forget this process. Japanese stick, cutting for the onion diagonally. Okay. Mushroom. Instead of cutting the very thinly is okay. エリンギはとりあえず薄くカットした方がいいかもしれないですね。火の通りが早いので、早くするために薄めにちょっとカットしましょうか。で、えのきマッシュルームはちょうどいいぐらいの量ぐらいですかね。Just cut it, not cut it, just by the hand. This much. Also, this is suchoi also cutting diagonally is good. Little bit, if you want a little more short time, cut little slice it. And little bit angle diagonal. thick part to maybe put in the pan, cook first. And thin one is cook later. Yeah, this is the beef size. You can buy the Japanese grocery store or something. Maybe I think this big is don't need a cut because after the cook, this meat is a little shrink. So if you want, it's a cut halfway. And tofu, maybe cut 1/3. Okay. Yes. So ready. Okay, let's go. So this I preheat the pan already, sukiyaki pan. And then this is for the we have is beef oil, the white parts, fat. Today I'm using for the canola oil. Just a little bit. Onion, beef first. Yeah, this is big first, little for put in the pan with a little onion flavor. 今日ネギのネギとオイルにつけますね。で鍋になじませます。After that. Some people want it for the beef, cook first. 牛肉を入れたらいいんですけど、ちょっと長めになってしまうので、僕はちょっと柔らかめが好きなので、ちょっと遅れて入れますね。で、こちら白菜。通ちょいのボトムからです。Some vegetable juice to the making the part of the sauce. I just make some vegetable. 次はこれでは中火ぐらいですね。Fire a little bit reduced for the medium heat. With the sake. Simple sake movie. One little bit sugar. And soy sauce. And I'll keep my shirt here. Yeah, very easy, very easy. Then 関西風と関東のは作り方が違うみたいですね。僕はもともと中部なので。うちでは関東風のようなすき焼きを食べますね。ちょっと水を足します。 If too sweet or too thick for the taste, you can add it sugar and control the water or a little more added soy sauce. Yeah, you can make your own flavor. You can additional soy sauce or sake or sugar, anything as much as you like a taste. Yeah, that's it. The sukiyaki is after cook. And then like a home party to the family party, it's good for the winter dish. It's good. Yes, okay. So sukiyaki, everybody after the party, some area put in the udon, finish the udon or konjac noodle. Looks good. 美味しそうですね。で、白菜を白玉の方を入れます。これが割り下こんな感じですね。甘めが好きな人は砂糖を入れてください。よし、so this is almost ready. So today cooking like about 3 minutes, 5 minutes. This is a Japanese hot dish. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。ご視聴ありがとうございます。日本の方々はもうこれを食べて生卵につけて食べますが、こちらの人はノースアメリカの人はローエッグ is a little scare. But if you want to try Japanese way, just raw egg, cracked egg, and then put a mixed match, and then dip it and eat. Yes. So see you next week, and I will make another Japanese dish, traditional home-style cooking. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please give me the like, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next week. Bye now. ありがとうございます。それではまた来週。スーパーヒーローズキッチン。